Hello everyone, welcome to Mind Maps. In this polarographic series, we are here to discuss half wave potential. So what is half wave potential? As you have seen the graph between I and E, okay, or V, we have a curve like this, A, B, D, E. So BD part of the curve represents the diffusion current. So what happens during this period is CD plus 2 gets reduced. Now when half of the CD gets half of the oxidized ion gets reduced, okay, we have a potential that is known as half wave potential, right? This is known as E1 by 2. Now this E by 2 is very particular to certain redox systems, okay, very particular. So we must think that it must be used in some qualitative analysis. ठीक है, E1/2 अलग अलग रिडॉक्स सिस्टम का फिक्स ही होता है, कांस्टेंट की तरह यूज हो जाता है. तो हम सोच सकते हैं कि हम कुछ डिटेक्ट कर सकें या फिर पता लगा सकें क्या है, कोई अननोन सोल्यूशन है जिसका हमें नहीं पता कि क्या कॉम्पोजिशन है, कौन सा आयन है, कौन सी इलेक्ट्रोएक्टिव स्पीशीज़ है. बट क्या होता है ना, दीज E1/2 वैल्यूज़ आर वेरी क्लोज. These are very close, so it becomes a bit difficult to distinguish them from one another. Nevertheless, there is certain observation that is being made here, right? So that is it for the identification part. But one of the most important process that is taking place here is equilibrium. So there are certain systems that might achieve equilibrium. Okay, so equilibrium must be established at the surface of DME. Okay, where should it be established? At the surface of DME, there should be an equilibrium. So what we can do is E1/2 can be related to E0 of the system, the redox couple. Although for a process occurring at a finite rate, there may be many electrode processes that approach it so closely that we cannot tell the difference, right? So we might not have an ideal condition in such a case. So EDME is given by this equation, right? EDME is equal to E1/2 minus 0.059 log I upon ID minus I. So when we plot a graph between ED में, okay, versus log I divided by ID minus I, we get a straight line, right? The slope for this curve is minus 0.059 by n. Okay, so what is n? N is the number of electrons that are participating, okay, or the number of electrons that are being gained, right? So this is the type of graph that we are seeing in half wave potential. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you.